question 9 is all about statistics. Let's dive right in without further ado. So during the survey, Nick asked people to state the number of children in their families. The results are listed below. So this survey that he asked, so he met someone, he asked them how many children are in your family. They said 2. How many children in your family? They said 1. How many children in your family? They said 0. So on and so forth. They're down the number of people who took part in Nick's survey: 5, 10, 15, 20. Easy peasy. Part B, complete the frequency table, show the number of children in each family. So this literally means you have to go and find how many zeros: 1, 2, 3. So the number of children in each family, there was 3 families with 0 children in their family. The number of families who had 1 child in their family: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of families with 2 children was 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number who had 3 was 3. 1, 2, 3. And the number who had 4 was 1, 2. And the number who had 5 was 1, 2 also. So display this data graphically. Label your graph clearly. So to do this, I did a bar chart / histogram kind of thingy, and here it is in its full, looking nicely, I suppose, here. So this is telling you that there was 3 families who had 0 children in their family. There was 5 families with 1 child in their family. There's another 5 families with 2 children in it, and so on and so forth, matching up with the table which you had. So the next one here is part D. One person who took part in the survey was picked at random from the group, and Nick says the probability that this person has 3 children in their family is 0.15. Show that he is correct. So to do this, let's identify anyway the probability this person has 3 children in their family. So there's 3 families that have 3 children in their family. So the probability of 3 children in their family is the number of families with 3 children, so that is 3, over the total number of families, which is 20. If you get your calculator or convert this to a decimal, you get 0.15, which is consistent with what they're looking for. Show that he's correct. Part E here, Nick also expanded the survey to include a wider group of people. He also asked the participants the age and gender of the children in their family. They are age 12 or younger. The results are partly shown in the table below. And use these results to complete the table. So let's try and get the easy ones first. So here's the one I would have spotted first of all. There's male 6, total is 14, so 14 minus 6 means that there's 8 female. Next one after that is over here in the total. In the total, you've got 20 male, you've got 42 in total, so 42 minus 20, you have 22 female. Next one after that is this one here in the middle. There's a couple of different options. So you have female 8, age 4 and younger, age 5 to age 4, so 8 and 4 is 12, total is 22, so 22 minus 12, that must mean that there's 10, age 9 to 12. Down here in this one, you have 42 in total for male and female. Where you have 14 age 4 and younger, you have 21 age 9 to 12, so 21 and 14 is 35, 42 minus 35, 7 must be 5 to 8. And the last couple here, so this one in the middle, 7 in total, 4 are females, so 7 minus 4 must mean that there's 3 male. And similarly here, 21 in total, 10 are female, 21 minus 10 is 11 male. That's that question. Part 2 here, Nick displays the results from the totals of each age group on a pie chart. The sector angle for the group age 4 and younger is 120 degrees. Work out the sizes of the angles for the other 2 sectors in the pie chart. So if we have a look here, write the group age 4 and younger as a fraction of the total number of people in the group surveyed. So the total number age 4 and younger over the total number in the group. And what we get here, well, the total number age 4 and younger is 14. Out of the total number in the group is 42. So that's 14 out of 42. So that's the fraction of the total number of people age 4 and younger over the total number of the group. And if we want to convert that to a pie chart, or change it into a pie chart, we're basically getting that fraction of 360 degrees. Of course, of means multiply in maths. So 14 over 42 by 360 will give us the 120 that we were told in the question. Now, if we apply that logic and thinking to the other age groups, write the group age 5 to 8 as a fraction of the total number of people in the group surveyed. So age 5 to 8, the total number of people there is 7, and in the group in total is 42. So the total number age 5 to 8 out of the total number of the group is 7 out of 42. Then we want to say what fraction of this is of the 360 degrees. So of means multiply. So 7 over 42 multiplied by 360 giving you an answer of 60 degrees. And then the last one here, age 9 to 11 or 9 to 12 group, you see here you've got 21 out of the total number is 42. So writing this age group, age 9 to 12, is a fraction of the total number of people in the group surveyed. Total number age 9 to 12 out of the total number of the group is 21 over 42. And of course, what fraction of that is representing the pie chart? That's 21 over 42 of 360. You want to get that amount of 360, which is basically a half of 360 there is 180 degrees. Looking at it overall, you've got the age 4 and younger, that's 14 out of 42 of 360 is 120. 5 to 8 is 7 out of 42 of 360 is 60. And age 9 to 12 is 21 out of 42 of 360 is 180. Finito.